So it's raining pretty hard outside, so I decided I didn't want to go out and do any photography today, but I did want to sit in front of the TV, so I thought I would do some photography in my own driveway. I used my car as a blind, filmed some hummingbirds, caught one other bird. I'll put some footage of that up here in a minute. It was pretty fun. I might try this car blind idea in other locations because it seemed to work out pretty good. The animals might know that you're there, but if you're not out in the open and moving around, they might not bother them so much. So more to come on this.